Yes, here is a Yamaha EMX5, which we're gonna be unboxing. It's a 12-channel power mixer with FX. Also, it's got one master echo. Here we can see the box in which it's coming. It's not very heavy, so it's easy to move around. So inside the bag we find the power cord, and the mixer is very well packed. Here are some instructions, technical specifications, and how to use the machine. So that's the mixer that can be used flat on a table, or you can use it on one of its sides. The shape of the mixer is kind of hexagonal, I would say, or something like this. So this is the rear back of the mixer, where you connect the power cord, and you connect the speakers, which you can use speak on or jack, both of them. Here you can see the size of the mixer compared to a cat. Comes with a nice effect unit where you can choose 25 different effects. Here we can see what they call the feedback suppressor bottom. Also, there are two amplifier modes. There is also a high Z entrance where you can connect an acoustic guitar or electric guitar without direct box. So there are 4 knobs compressors, so you can easily access to all the knobs in the front panel. Well then, thanks for watching. This was Yamaha EMX5 unboxing. See you soon, bye.